Alright, Joe, this is where we are with this thing. It's creating havoc, just like you thought it would. Go ahead, Brendan.
Don't play it until I set it down and move out of the way.
What do you think, Caitlin? Is that helicopter crazy?
Yes. Funny. And now it's going around in circles, Joe.
Oh! That could hurt. We're probably going through 27 pilots by now.
Yeah.
We probably went through, and that helicopters.
That's 27 pilots in there.
Now 20.
Behind the big screen.
Now 28. Part 2. This is take 2.
I want to get things.
Now 29 pilots.
Guys,
Now 29 pilots.
Here comes Connor.
30 pilots.
We might get it all the way down to 1. 31 pilots. Joe, this isn't funny. 32 pilots. 32 pilots. And I know just what to name it. I know just what to name it. Crazy helicopter.
Crazy air
Crazy
hogs.
helicopters.
Crazy air hogs.
Crazy.
Oh, what's right up there? Crazy air hogs. Air hogs helicopter.
Yeah. Crazy heroes.
And you want me to videotape?
Yeah. The last one really hurt on that one.
He's warming up the ride.
Oh.
Yeah, 5-point landing.
Here we go.
Good, put it on the floor, Connor. You know where we start.
Middle.
Yep, right in the middle. Whoever's the closest to it gets to put it in the middle. That's gonna be Yeah, monkey breath. That was funny, huh?
What happened?
Hit the camera.
You shouldn't see that, Joe.
He will see it.
If you saw it, you should have seen it.
Good, hit yourself. Ha ha.
Where's your video camera? Dad, after you're done videotaping it, can we do it?
It's gonna get stuck in my hair if you stop trying to aim it at me.
All right, Joe, we're gonna try to figure out how to straighten this thing out. Oh.
I thought it was safe in here.
It almost landed in the fish tank.
Wonder how cool you would feel having played it
With a helicopter.
without dying.
All right, okay, let Nolan take his first flight, Brendan.
We asked first.
Oh, we do one more.
Why ask first?
I'll do one more.
Make sure it doesn't get touched.
Stop.
Your bestest one.
That was knocked my head off.
Yeah. Brendan, that was your bestest one ever. That one only got my hair stuck.
Nolan's first flight. Actually, that wasn't too bad there, kid.
Maybe this is. Maybe this is.
Okay. Were you pressing anything else when it was doing that?
Sorry, Dad. There you go.
What are you eating, kid? M&M's.
He had 2 pieces of candy.
That's disgusting.
Bad helicopter.
You like, that's like that.
Did you just snort?
You make it snort.
Quite long, just like a movie.
There we go. It's going up. It's going up. It's going into the big screen TV.
Just so you
Yeah,
know,
that's funny.
just so you know, we're each gonna try the new toy I got. I'm gonna hit you. If it didn't-
Connor's first flight, and he crushes the table. Stop, stop, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Go, Caitlin. Woo!
I didn't see it. Got on tape.
Well, if you weren't hiding behind there, you would have been able to see it.
We cleared some furniture for you, Joe. Up, 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 up. That was good. The sun's setting.
Whoa!
You're doing a good job, Caitlin. Okay, couple more for Caitlin.
And then it's mine. I'm awesome. And then it's all over again. Dad, bring
Ready,
it over
set,
to
go.
Caitlin.
Okay, Caitlin.
Throw it.
Just press start. Lift off.
Get catch Nolan.
Hey, you got that. You got
Mhm.
that.
Yeah, I got Nolan. Doesn't mean it when it's under here. Doesn't mean you got them.
Is Rock Band 3 new?
Yes, this is coming out this. It's coming out this month.
Why did I think they had more of those on that?
They do.
Rock Band Beatles and Rock Band like Sticks.
Rock Band, AC/DC.
Rock Band AC/DC.
I'm making a fight off. But I'm here for some fun. 3, 2, 1. Let's go!